Would you like to build a game using ReactJS in less than 6 hours? Yes, it is possible. And for this, you do not even have any coding knowledge at all. I invite you to my 2 days Guru class empowered by UniKaksha. Hi again, this is Manoj Kumar, and I have helped more than 15,000 students to build games using ReactJS, which they have submitted as their capstone projects during their interviews. Why me? I am an IBAC certified trainer, a Kaggle contributor and expert, and all my prediction models which I have built are ranked in the top 10% of this data scientist projects out there. What are the key takeaways from this 2 day workshop which you are going to attend? A valid certification with real-time hands-on experience, and you will be building a game from scratch. You also get an exclusive access to all our pro sessions in future and an opportunity to get direct admissions into our job guarantee programs. I guarantee you that after this workshop, you will be able to build a game on your own and learn the techniques that will help you to land in your dream job or a dream employee. There are limited seats available. Register today and see you at the workshop. Thank you.